Hey guys, this is Ray from the Great Falls Public Library, and this is Toddler Time. It is an early literacy program for babies and toddlers birth to 2.5. Today we're going to be talking about balance, so I brought some stuffed animal friends, some bunnies. If you have some stuffed animals, you might like to grab them. Also, if you have some wooden spoons, go ahead and grab those. We're going to use those as rhythm sticks. So I'm going to set down my bunnies, and we're going to get started. All right, here we go. Everybody wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Let's have some fun. Good job. Everybody clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Let's have some fun. Good job. We're gonna wiggle our ears. Here we go. Everybody wiggle your ears. Wiggle out, wiggle your ears, wiggle your ears. Everybody wiggle your ears. Let's have some fun. Good job. We're going to read a bird book today, so show me your wings. Everybody flap your wings, flap your wings, flap your wings. Everybody flap your wings. Let's have some fun. All right, let's stomp our feet. Everybody stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Let's have some fun. All right. Everybody wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Now our song is done. Good job, guys. All right, grab your rhythm sticks. Let's see what we can do with these. Can you tap them like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Good job. Can you tap your sticks really, really fast? Can you tap your sticks slowly? Slowly. Good job. Can you tap your sticks high up over your head? Good job. Can you pretend you have a drum on the floor in front of you and play your drum with your sticks? Can you hold one stick in your hand like this and then hammer it? So this is going to be your hammer. This one's going to be your nail. Hammer that nail. Awesome job, guys. All right, and last but not least, can you tap them behind your back? Tricky. Good job, guys. All right, here we go. This is the way we tap our sticks, tap our sticks, tap our sticks. So this is the way we tap our sticks so early in the morning. Good job. This time we're gonna rub them together. This is the way we rub our sticks, rub our sticks, rub our sticks. So this is the way we rub our sticks so early in the morning. Good job. Now, can you hold your sticks, your spoons in your hands, and we're going to roll them around like this. Good job. You got it. This is the way we roll our sticks, roll our sticks, roll our sticks. This is the way we roll our sticks so early in the morning. Nice. All right, do you remember how we pretended one was a nail and the other was a hammer and we hammered it? Good job. Here we go. This is the way we hammer our sticks, hammer our sticks, hammer our sticks. This is the way we hammer our sticks so early in the morning. All right, and last but not least, let's pretend we have a drum in front of us and bang on our drum with our sticks. This is the way we drum our sticks, drum our sticks, drum our sticks. So this is the way we drum our sticks so early in the morning. Good job, guys. All right, do you know the Wheels on the Bus song? So grab your sticks, we're gonna roll them around in a circle. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Good job. Now we're going to pretend our sticks are the windshield wipers, and we're going to clean the windshield like this. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Good job. All right, hold your sticks together. This is going to be the door. Closed, open and shut. Open and shut. Good job. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. Good job. And now, can you hold your sticks like this? They're going to go up and down. These are the kids, the children on the bus. Here we go. The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down, all through the town. Nice job, guys. Oh, I almost forgot the horn. Okay, so grab your sticks in one hand. We're going to pretend that this right here, the palm of our hand, is the horn on the bus. So let's press it with the sticks. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, here we go. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Nice job, guys. All right, so before we put our sticks away, let's tap them again. Let's tap them high. Let's tap them low. Let's tap them fast. And tap them slow. And stop. Good job, guys. Let's read this wonderful story. It's called Balance the Birds by Susie Ghahremani. And this is a lovely little book all about balance. Here come the birds. Half on the left side and half on the right. How many birds are there? Can you help me count them? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 on the left side and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right side. It's the same number of birds on both sides. This is how the birds balance. Uh-oh, off they go. Here comes a naughty little squirrel chasing off some of those birds. Half the birds remain. So we had 8 birds. Now we only have 4, and they're all on one side of the tree. So the tree is too heavy. One side is too heavy, one side is too light. And it bends to this side because it's too heavy. 4 birds over there and no birds over here. So that doesn't balance unless 2 birds perch here and 2 hop there. How many birds altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 birds on each side. Now the birds balance. Uh-oh, off they go. Here comes that little squirrel again. And look, 1, 2, 3 of the birds flew away. So how many birds are left? Just 1 small bird remains until, oh my goodness, that's a great big bird. What do you think is going to happen? How will these birds balance? You see how the big bird is heavier than the little bird. So the tree is leaning. It doesn't balance. Even though there's 1 bird here and 1 bird here, this bird weighs more. Small birds are quite light, but a few more might balance. Hey, look. So we have 1 big bird on this side. And how many little birds over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they balance. Here come the birds. How will you balance the birds? Oh my goodness, look at all those birds. That is a lot. All right, so let's try something. So if you have stuffed animals, go ahead and grab some. So if I have 1 bunny on the right and 1 bunny on the left, Do the bunnies balance? I'm the tree. The bunnies balance. So I'm not going to tip either way. All right. But what if I have 3 bunnies on the right and only 1 bunny on the left? Which way do I tip? Oh, this way. This side is heavier because there are 3 bunnies. So how can we fix it so that the bunnies balance? Do you know what we need to do? We have 3 on this side and 1 on this side. How do we balance the bunnies? 2 bunnies on each side. This one little guy, his ears don't stick up, so he's hard to see. There we go. 2 bunnies on each side, and now the bunnies balance. Awesome. All right, let me sit down some of my bunnies. All right, I have 1 bunny on the right side, and oh, who is this? It's Iris the bear. Which one is bigger? Is the bunny bigger or is the bear bigger? The bear is bigger. Do they balance? No, they sure don't. So I'm going to lean to this side because the bear is heavier than the bunny. So how do we fix it, guys? I think we need more bunnies. So if we have 3 bunnies on the right, sorry guys, I want you to get a nice shot on the camera, looking your very best. All right, so 3 bunnies and 1 bear, and now they balance because they weigh the same. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this, guys. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.